Hi everyone. So there is a new concept in the market and the concept is CAG, C-A-G. Okay. We already know about this RAG. RAG is full from Retrieval Augmented Generation and the CAG full form is Cache Augmented Generation. Now what is the difference between these two? So see here I have created two files. One is the CAG.py and another one is the RAG.py. Okay. So with the help of these two examples I will show you in a simple way so that you can be a master in this CAG and RAG. Okay, so let's start the video. Here you see that I have written RAG means bad student and CAG means good student. So if I take a student example, suppose you are a teacher and there is two student A, student B. Student A is good, but student B is not good. He is a bad student. Okay, and you have given same textbook to student A and student B also. Okay, and after some time you are asking same question to student A also and student B also, but you observe that student A is giving the answer quickly, the student B is not giving the answer quickly. It is he is taking some time. Okay, so why he is taking some time? Because he has not read the book, but student A has read the book, he has all the information in his mind, and so that he can answer the question quickly. But student B doesn't read the book, he has not any concept in his mind. So when you are asking question to student B, at the time he is looking for the information in that textbook, and after that he got the answer, and after that he is telling to you. Okay, so here also the same thing, that RAG and CAG. So now there is a important concept that you have to keep in your mind is the knowledge base. See here I have written the knowledge base is limited and manageable. Okay, suppose you have a predefined knowledge base, like you have a predefined PDF, and if you upload that PDF or if you use that PDF as a database or knowledge base to prepare any LLM model or anything. Okay, so in that case you have to use this CAG. Okay, so what CAG do that? Okay, first of all understand what RAG do. So RAG doesn't preloads the memory. So let me show you one thing. Here you see that knowledge preloading. Okay, by the way, this is the blog that I have written for you. If you go to the description, there I have given this blog link, that entire document, like why CAG, what is the difference between the RAG and CAG. You can read the whole article there. Okay, in a simple way I have written. So here you see that knowledge preloading. So in RAG there is a no knowledge preloading. When you are asking a question, it all the times find and go to the uh, database or knowledge base and then find the answer, and it gives the answer to you. Okay, it is the RAG system. But in case of CAG system, it preloads the knowledge base. Okay, it always preloads the knowledge base. It doesn't go to the database or somewhere uh, all the time when you are asking question. It has all the data. It preloaded all the data, and when you are asking a question, it always give the answer quickly. Okay, so here you see that it stores the data in key value format. So the concept is that KB cache. Okay, so that's why the name is cache augmented. So here you see that inference. Inference means when a user asks a question, the AI loads this pre-prepared KV cache along with the user's query. Okay. And after that, here you see the cache reset. To keep things efficient, the AI sometimes removes older parts of the cache without having to reload everything. So this is an important concept. And now another thing that I want to tell you, that is knowledge base is very large or constantly changing. In that case, RAG is a good student but CAG is a bad student. So if I show these two things together, then you will understand. Here you see that what I have written. So let me press another enter. Here you see that what I have written. I have written if the knowledge base is limited and manageable, then CAG is a good student. But if the knowledge base is very large or constantly changing. Okay, so constantly you are fetching the current data, the real-time data, and you are using very large database. In that case, RAG is good because every time you have to go to the database or you have to go to that data source so that you can get the real-time data. So remember one thing, if you need real-time data, then go for RAG. If you don't need the real-time data, if you have a limited data and predefined data that doesn't change all the time, then in that case go for the CAG. Okay, so I hope you got the point. Now let me show you the example. See here, I have prepared this file rag.py. So inside this rag.py, here you see that I have this knowledge base. Okay, so if you see this knowledge base, here I have written that elephant, what is the meaning of elephant, what is the meaning of tiger, and koala and penguin. Okay, this is my knowledge base and there are some data. For example, I have written this. Okay, and this knowledge base in the real time, there this can be a PDF or this can be something else. Okay, and now I have prepared a function. Here you see that to simulate text similarity. These are text similarity function. Okay, and here is my rag retrieve function and rag generate function, and there is a rag system here you see. Okay, so what that this rag system does, this rag system implements these two concept, is rag retrieve and rag generate. So retrieve actually find the information, and rag generate generates the answer. Okay, and these are the implementation. I have given the link in the description box, you can check there. Okay, uh, another thing is that here you see that I have taken the example. I am calling the rack system that what do tigers look like. Okay, and also I am providing this knowledge base, that I have this knowledge base and all of this information in this knowledge base. I need particular for the I need particular information for the tiger. So what do tigers look like? And also I am asking another question like what is unique about the koalas? Okay, and also I am providing the knowledge base. So what I am doing here. So I am asking the rack, that boss, I have this knowledge base. I have all the information about the tiger, penguin, and koala there. You just give me the information about this tiger and koala. Okay. So now let me run this. Okay. So I think you are enjoying this video, guys. Please do make sure you subscribe this channel and don't forget to like this video, guys. Okay. So I am making all of this information for you only. Okay. So here you see that Python. Okay, and the file name is rag.py. So after that I will show you the CAG also, and I will show you the difference. Okay, so here you see that if I press the enter, and you see that I got the query and the answer. It has found that the tiger is the largest cat species, blah blah blah, and also it has found the answer about these koalas. Okay, all of these things from the knowledge base that I have provided. Now let me show you that what is the difference between the CAG. So see here in CAG also I have provided the knowledge base, and I have this CAG implementation, this uh, CAG generate and CAG system. Okay, now just see here what I have done. In case of RAG, see here, there was a RAG retrieve, RAG generate, and RAG system function. Okay, I have already explained. Now, in case of CAG, here you see that CAG generate and CAG system, these two are the similar. Okay, here you see that generate and system. But here you see that I have used RAG retrieve, but in case of CAG, I have used CAG preload. Okay, so preload means here you see that preload all the data into a single context string. So I am preloading all of the knowledge base so that when user asks a question, I will not go again and again to the database or to the data source to find the knowledge. Okay, I already have the knowledge. I will not go to the data source again and again. Okay, this is the concept of CAG. I hope you got. Okay, now again you see that I am asking the question, same question here also. So if I open the terminal, and if I run the command again, python dot, now instead of RAG, this time it will be CAG. So I press enter, and you see that I got the answer. Okay, and here you see that in this time I got the answer in a more detailed way. Okay, so that's why, let me show you another thing. Here you see that key benefits of CAG. This is speed. CAG is much faster because I am not going again and again to the data source or the knowledge base. And also here you see that accuracy. As we have preloaded the information, so I have that information what I got earlier. But if I go again and again to the data source, then in that case there might be an accuracy issue. Okay, and another thing is the simplicity. So CAG has a simpler system because it doesn't require separate retrieval and generation components, and it is making it easier to manage and maintain. Okay, and also here you see that I have written one example, like you have a customer service chatbot that answer question about a company's product. Okay, so you, when you have a company, and you have a customer service, then in that case all of your FAQ, like the questions already have in your system, right? So here you see that with RAG, every time a customer asks a question, the chatbot would have to search through the product manual and FAQs. Okay, but with CAG, all the information from the manual and FAQ are preloaded into the chatbot memory. So see here, product information is always constant. It will not change again and again. So why I will allow a system to go again and again to the data source and find the information, do the preloading and use the CAG, right? So here you see that when a customer asks a question, the chatbot can answer immediately and accurately because it has all the necessary information readily available. So here you see, when CAG is useful, the knowledge base is limited and manageable, and fast and accurate response are important. And when RAG is useful, when you have a very large and constantly changing knowledge base. So I hope you found this video helpful, guys, and you got to know the difference between the CAG and RAG and when to use what. And if you want to get this type of videos more, don't forget to subscribe this channel, guys, and also read the whole article, because this is a simpler article that I have written for you so that you can understand, anyone can understand in the world. Okay, those who don't have an idea in AI also, they can also understand this article or this blog post. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like this video.